Good morning, I'm Kofi Mensah and this is Chale News. June 23rd and it is already a lot. The Adwoa Safo shooting just got darker. Her family says it was an organised hit. Ghana versus England kicks off tonight with everything on the line, and NADMO is literally begging a private citizen to save a flooded town. Let's get into it. The Adwoa Safo shooting. The family is now saying this was no random act of violence. Their spokesperson, Dr. Emmanuel Boki, alleges about 20 people were specifically deployed to kill her, all tied to a succession battle over the Adwoa Safo mission and its business empire. 3 suspects, including her own brother, are expected in court. This story keeps getting heavier. Now here's something that should embarrass someone in government. Samraboy has been flooding since June 14th. Over 24 buildings have collapsed, relief centres are overwhelmed, and NADMO's response is to publicly beg Ibrahim Mahama, a private businessman, to come dredge 2 rivers. The state has no plan. Let that sink in. And it's not just floods where the state is absent. On River Offin, a private miners association went out and destroyed around 80 illegal Changfan machines. Self-funded, no police, no minerals commission. They found excavators dumping toxic waste straight into the river. Full breakdown on Chale.news. Your bills go up next week. PURC has confirmed electricity rises 3.49% and water 0.85% from July 1st. The CD dollar rate, inflation, and gas costs driving it. Not catastrophic numbers, but it adds up. You've been warned. And on the subject of energy costs, a deadly explosion at Qatar's Ras Laffan LNG hub killed at least 13 workers, with 66 injured. The blast was felt 70 kilometers away in Doha. Qatar says exports are fine, but any jitter in global gas supply has a way of reaching Ghana's electricity bills eventually. Kennedy Agyapong's troubles aren't slowing down. First Atlantic Bank is now in court seeking to liquidate his travel firm, Kenpong Travel and Tour, over a 2.55 million Ghanaian cedi debt that's been sitting unpaid for nearly 4 years. After 9 separate bids to delay enforcement, all failed. A difficult week just got worse for him. NPP constituency nominations are open, but pay attention if you're an aspirant. The online portal crashed and the party is warning clearly. No cash payments to election committees. Everything goes through the official portal, receipt in hand, or you risk disqualification. Deadline is June 24th. Electoral Reform Group Care Ghana wants the voter ID card scrapped entirely. One card, the Ghana card, for all elections. They argue the dual ID system wastes millions and fuels controversy every cycle. Worth the conversation ahead of 2028. Tonight, Ghana versus England, Boston Stadium. Both teams on 3 points, group lead at stake, and under 2026 rules, head-to-head record breaks ties before goal difference, so a draw is not enough. Coach Queiroz says we bring 33 million lions into that stadium. Chale, let's see it. Elsewhere at the World Cup, Mbappe scored twice as France beat Iraq 2-0 after a 2-hour lightning delay in Philadelphia. He's now joint second on the all-time World Cup scoring list with 16 goals, one behind Messi, who broke the record earlier the same day. History made on a stormy Sunday. The Black Maidens travelled to Dakar on July 3rd to face Senegal in a U17 Women's World Cup qualifier. Kickoff is 5 p.m. local time. The GFA wants an away win. Follow Chale.news for updates as it approaches. A video is going around. A senior student at Nchira Senior High School in the Bono region beating a junior repeatedly over a missing phone, while a crowd of students watches and nobody moves. The GES has said nothing. This needs a response. South Africa's xenophobia crisis escalated again. An activist group physically walked into a company and demanded management fire all foreign workers on the spot. No CVs required from replacements. This is days before a June 30th March deadline that has already turned deadly. If you have family there, stay alert. WhatsApp has a new boss. Indian fintech founder Kunal Shah takes over from Will Cathcart, who led the app for nearly 7 years. With Ghana among WhatsApp's most active markets in Africa, whatever direction Shah takes it, we'll feel it. And we close on a loss the music world is feeling. Clive Davis, the man who signed Whitney Houston, Aretha Franklin, Bruce Springsteen, Alicia Keys, has died at 94 in Manhattan. He heard greatness before the world did. Rest well. That's your June 23rd digest. Full reporting on everything you just heard is waiting at Chale.news. Stay informed, stay sharp. I'll see you back here soon.